everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial accessory for anyone relying on their TSC America TC200 thermal barcode label printer, the PK Power AC/DC adapter. This isn't just any power supply. It's designed to be a reliable and robust replacement or upgrade for your original cord, specifically for models like the 99059A00320LF. One of the first things that stands out about this PK Power adapter is its impressive input range. It handles 100-240V at 50-60 Hz, making it incredibly versatile. Whether a user is operating their printer in different regions or just needs a power supply that can adapt to various electrical environments, this adapter has them covered. It's a truly global solution, which is a huge plus for many. Beyond its versatility, safety is clearly a top priority for PK Power. This adapter comes with a suite of protection features that give users peace of mind. We're talking about OVP, OCP, and SCP protection. For those unfamiliar, OVP means over voltage output protection, safeguarding the printer from damaging voltage spikes. OCP, or overcurrent output protection, prevents excessive current from flowing, which can harm sensitive electronics. And SCP, short circuit output protection, is there to prevent damage in case of an accidental short circuit. These certifications, including CE, FCC, and RoHS, aren't just acronyms. They signify that the product meets stringent safety and environmental standards and has been rigorously tested by the manufacturer to match or even exceed OEM specifications. This commitment to quality means one is getting a product that's built to last and protect valuable equipment. The brand, PKPOWER, emphasizes its dedication to customer satisfaction, not just through product quality, but also with its after-sale service. They promise a friendly and reliable customer service response within 24 hours, which is always reassuring when investing in electronics. While the full list of compatible models should always be checked in the product description to ensure a perfect fit, this adapter is specifically designed for printers, making it a specialized and optimized choice for the TSC TC200. In essence, if someone is in need of a dependable, safe, and high-quality power supply for their TSC America TC200 thermal barcode label printer, the PK Power AC/DC adapter presents itself as an excellent option. Its robust build, comprehensive safety features, and universal input voltage make it a smart investment for maintaining the performance and longevity of a printer. It's clear that PK Power has put thought into creating a product that not only powers a device, but also protects it.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.